Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony cassette recorder, and the model number is TCM-80V, and this one is in mint condition, and it has legs underneath, and then the battery compartment, and then lanyard sort of attachment, and then here we have digital display, and then all the buttons, they are here, nothing on these sides. The main buttons are here, and here we have a microphone sensor that is voice sensitive, and then if you turn it on, you can put it on low, medium and high to record by itself. And then this is the record button, this is a microphone, and it has a speaker, active speaker here as well, that we are going to explore them. And then here we have the headphone, volume, tape speed, fast, slow, and the microphone, plug-in power microphone. And on the other side we have the open, and then 1.5 volt DC in, and this one, it works with 1.5 volts or 3 volts in battery. We are going to talk about this, and then nothing anywhere else. And when you open this, you can see there are two AAA compartment here, and then you put this, both of them, the same way together. It means this is I made a mistake here, so 1.5 volts here, and then you can have two 1.5 volts here, or one 1.5 volt for longer life. So as soon as you put it in there, the screen is coming on, and then we are going to talk about the rest of these things that you see on the table. So here is the user manual, and this user manual is very effective, and is really details everything about this unit, how it works, how it functions, how you can change stuff, how you can use this in optimal position. And at the back again, I think there are in two languages. One is English and the other one is maybe German or whatever, but in case that you need this, is here. The only thing that you need to know about this is just recording in mono, but the mono is coming from both speakers, and this is the remnants of the underneath speaker. And then it came with the headphone, that this one is not the headphone that it came with, and also this one is a microphone that it not came with the microphone that this one came with, but still is a remote microphone that from here you can turn on and off, and is a single mono microphone, but it has a TRS jack, and that means maybe it records on both of the speakers but in mono, so not so bad. And now we talk about this, we open it and I show you the inside. This item is really fantastic, that is the speaker, and this is the microphone here, and then this is the head and the pinch roller. This one service to the maximum, and it has an eraser that the eraser is magnetic, is not the electronic ones, electromagnetic ones. It's just magnetic and is really in excellent condition if you want to have a look. The only thing about this that is a little bit bothering me is just these two sides. You see this plastic that everything is printed on, and this one not really desirable because after a while it's becoming sticky, and I try to preserve it to the point that I could, to the maximum that I could, but still, as you see, is dust magnet because it's at the end of its life. So I'm covering it and putting it in a bag in order to preserve the life of this. And then now that we have battery in there, let's put a tape in there to see how it performs. And is the head feeder, so the head is going first. You have to open it fully and then put it in together. And now you have here the direction that is going, and then you have the tape counter and the battery indicator. And then if you want to record or whatever that you do, you have indicator here. And then here is the counter resets that I forgot to mention. And then here, pause, play and direction, stop, fast forward, cue, review or rewind. Anyway, let's play something and see how it goes. Volume shouldn't be to the maximum. Now the volume is at 2 or 3. A little bit more volume. This is maximum now. The display is really good. And then rewind. As you see, the indicator, it shows that it's going back. And then the tape counter, it shows that it's going back. And then stop and play. So now I have to show you one addition that I gathered from eBay to my collection, which is in form of a speaker, Sony speaker. This one is rather, old, but it works and is perfect. And it requires the way to use this. I put another review for this. This one takes 4 AA batteries. I put the batteries in there now. Here, battery is in there, and now we can turn this to this way. Now we have a speaker system. Let me just put this aside and this, and here aside. And then we have a switch here to turn it on, and the volume is controlled via here. So we are going to as you see, the sound is not really bad. And then when you turn it off, still the sound is coming out. This is fantastic in case that you don't have any batteries and you don't have any speakers here. But anyhow, the price of this, it varies from £50 not working up to £90. But if you service this, and if you can find this in a working condition and is like this, nearly brand new, I really don't care about these things because they are not genuine items that it came with this unit. So this unit, if it comes in working condition, you can expect to pay 80 to 120 pounds for this minimum, and the maximum is 150 to 160 or 70 pounds for this, because it's really good. And there is another model on top of this that it records in a stereo, so that one is more recommendable. But this one, for the time being, I really like it, and it's really compact in comparison to my hand, and it has voice operating control recording, and it has 4 sensors. Let me see if I'm right. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. Yeah, just low and high it has. Anyway, and then on off here. So this was a video about this cassette recorder TCM-80V with a battery, 2 AAA or 1 AAA battery. And here we have another battery that works with this, but I don't have this one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.